All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Thursday adverb. All. All. Yes. So including 100%, including all parts. I will read all the books. Definitely. I need to go to all the countries in Europe. Makes sense. I want all the pieces. All the pieces. She has read all the books. They have seen all the movies. Yes. How cool is that? I know all the answers. She needs help with all the questions. They are going to write all the exams. It is going to work all night. He will do all the exercises. All the exercises, yeah. How cool is that? How cool is that? I've been to all the places. I have not been to all the states and cities in Mexico. No, I have not been to all of them. But I don't know all the words in Spanish. Yeah, I'm still learning. How cool is that? I'm writing all the lessons now. I wrote all the lessons weeks ago. And now I am recording all of them. Yes. How cool is that? Soon he will have seen all the movies. I think by this time next year, all the movies will be released. All, I think by this time next year, yeah. All the books need to be read. And I have got around 18, 19 to read. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So all, I know all the answers. I've been to all the countries. I'm learning all the words. I'm recording all the videos. I'm recording all the videos. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So all. Can you use all in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. More lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram by looking for English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too by looking at Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.